Planning to install your baby unit in a designated location and use your home Wi-Fi network to connect your video monitor? Use the parent unit to test which of your selected monitoring location within the house have good signal strength. Here is how. Make sure your video monitor connected to your Wi-Fi network and find this icon on the parent unit. When the signal strength icons are full, it indicates the signal is strong and the video will stream smoothly. When you see the following icons, it indicates the signal is weak. And when the icon is red, it indicates the signal is interrupted. It may be the baby unit is too far away from the router and the parent unit or some internal walls block the signal. Find a suitable monitoring location where the baby unit is close to the router and the parent unit. Change the location until the signal strength icons are full. If you are mounting the baby unit on the wall, watch how to mount the baby unit. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the VTech support channel or check out our other videos to keep watching.